In this final module, we want to thank you for completing the Solar Tax Max certification course and gaining access to the Solar Tax Max calculator. I know personally you will double or triple your sales using Solar Tax Max simply by going after all the homeowners that you did not close solar with. You can go back to those prospects and offer them a much better solar investment opportunity because the cost is going to be way lower with all these extra solar incentives. Now, what I would love for you to do, if you found value in this course, is to share this information with your other solar brethren, okay? You have friends in the industry, they've been selling solar, maybe they actually got out of solar, but now with Solar Tax Max, you can help them get back in and join a winning solar team. That's Solar Tax Pros, and I'm Anthony Matthew. I want to thank you again for registering for the course. Feel free to get on our weekly live Q&A calls and make sure that you learn all the extra new solar programs that we have coming out so that you can maximize your solar knowledge and win big with solar.